Heard about Bitcoin but not sure where to start? You're not alone. This guide will walk you through what Bitcoin is and how it works. No jargon, no hype, just the basics, even if you're brand new. We'll also explain how people interact with crypto safely on platforms like Coinmama, one of the longest-running educational resources in the space. Before we jump in, let's quickly break it down. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is digital money that isn't controlled by any bank or government. It's secure, decentralized, and accessible online. Bitcoin, the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, was launched in 2009 and opened the door to a new kind of financial system. Today, people use cryptocurrencies for a variety of things, like sending money, exploring blockchain technology, or just learning about digital innovation. So, why does it matter? One interesting aspect of Bitcoin is that it allows value to be transferred globally 24/7, often with fewer fees than traditional systems. Staying safe in crypto. Before diving deeper, it's important to understand how to stay safe online. While Bitcoin is real, scammers often target newcomers. Here are 3 common scams to watch out for. Number 1. Fake giveaways and impersonation accounts. Number 2. Phishing websites that look like real crypto platforms. Number 3. Promises of guaranteed high returns. Always double-check links, never share your wallet keys, and don't trust anyone who says crypto comes with zero risk. Learning how it works is the best defense. How people use platforms like Coinmama. Once someone is ready to explore the world of crypto, platforms like Coinmama can help people learn how the process works step by step. From setting up a wallet to understanding transactions. For educational insight, signing up, choosing an amount, and receiving crypto are the core steps many platforms follow. But remember, this is not financial advice or a suggestion to buy. And that's it. Here's a key takeaway: learning about Bitcoin doesn't mean you have to use it. But understanding how it works helps you make informed decisions and navigate the digital world smarter. Want to keep learning? Subscribe for more educational videos about blockchain, crypto safety, and digital innovation. No hype, just facts.